Hello, my name is Bishara Yared, and at ISE we are launching a new product and a new brand, Look2Innovate, that you just saw. And we are basically launching a first product that you can see there, which is a new tablet. It's a professional tablet for museum visits, and it's the only product that sorts all the operational issues with applications at museum visits. For instance, you have a modular charging system of 10 units each. You have a pogo pin connectors. You have 2 jacks. You have a double battery capacity, a 5.5 inch. You have a speaker. And this product has been chosen already at Paris Musée, which is 14 museums in Paris, has been chosen by the Munch Museum in Norway, by the Beethoven exhibition in the Middle East. So it's a great product, it's a great new product, and nothing else is comparable. Thank you. And our website again is look2innovate.com. Thank you.